Hey everyone, this is a fun chord progression. You're going to benefit some skills. You're going to benefit from moving one hand to another to the next chord for hand position, also listening to sound, and we're going to play in 6/8 for just a little bit. Don't panic, it's not too hard. I'm going to demonstrate the chords first. A minor, and then E minor, to the G, to D minor. That would be bar 4, and then we're going to start again. Now I'm going to demonstrate it with the phrasing and the rhythm and all that, and then I'll break it down and give some teaching tips that hopefully will help you. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. I improvise. We'll do it again. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. To the E minor. 1. To the G. 1, 2, 4 to the D, 4, 5, 6, 1, and then it repeats. All right, this is what we're going to do. The left hand has a common phrase. It is root 5th octave, okay? So we're going to go, it's 2 bars of A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, and then together. And that together is on 4, 5, 6, so we get a chance to get to the E minor. So that is where we do our transition preparation point. I'll demonstrate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, to E minor, 1, 2. If you're ready to use the pedal, you can use that pedal. To the G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if you're having a hard time, but you're almost there, just slow it down a tad bit and you'll flow in no time. The next pattern, if you got pattern 1 down, pattern 2 is not too hard, but we have to practice descending. So now we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, together to the E minor. 1, 2, 3, that right hand to the G. 1, 2, I always play that thumb on the auto chord. 1, 4, 5, 6 to the D. 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3. Again, I'll even go slower. A minor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5. E minor. Pattern 3 is going to be harder, so you want to get these down. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, to the D minor. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen, if you like my videos, could you hit the like button? It really helps out, and I consider it kind of like a tip and a thank you. I'd really appreciate it. All right, here I go. Pattern 3, I'll demonstrate it. It is just 1 chord per bar. I'll go slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the backbeat, the strong beat's on 1 and 4 with the right hand. I'll demonstrate it again, but a little slower. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, E minor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now a little quicker. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm only doing that so you can hear how it sounds through practice. All right, so the goal is get pattern 1 down really well, and then 2, add in the pedal. You can add in some dynamics and flavor. You can even take these chords and move them in different bars if you want. Take your time playing and jamming. That is well worth it, as long as you're leaving the practice feeling like you've improved and, most importantly, motivated to get to the instrument again. All right, so I hope to hear and see everyone soon. Let me know. Some of you are in my Facebook group. I really love that you're posting, you're practicing and all that. Until next time, take care. Happy practicing.